So when you're making videos, you might want to add in background music to it or sound effects to it. But what happens is that you cannot just use any music that you want because of copyright issues that you may face while you're uploading videos. So for that particular case, there is an audio library that you can access through YouTube Studio itself that you can use however you want for your videos that you upload to YouTube. So over here on the left side, you can see that audio library is an option. And if I were to go around and click right here, then here you can see that there's different a type of audio that you can go around and click on download to download the audio. But before you actually go around and then download the audio, you can also preview it out. So I'm just going to go around and play this audio track. And that is how you can preview it. You can also go around over here and then click on the sets or filter library right here and select the mood of the audio to be bright, let's say for example, and press apply, and you can go around and play the audio track. So similarly, you can go around over here and let's say I'm going to go around, type in let's say something like 8 and press enter right here, just like this. So it'll set for everything that contains 8 right here. So I'm just going to go around and say 8 year right here, just like this. And you can see that 8-year anniversary pops up. So you can go around and press the play button. And that is how you can hear out the audio, as you can see right here. You can also go around and go to sound effects right here. And then here you can see that there's different sound effects like kids playing. So this is something that you can use as well. You can go around over here and this is what you have, as you can see. So I want to set something like water, press enter. You can see that there's different like let's say water can fall effects right here. There's water sizzle right here. And these are the effects that you can go around and then use out however you like. So that is what you have, as you can see, in the audio library. And whatever you like, you can go around and download. And what happens is that it gets downloaded as a file right here onto your computer, as you can see, that's like this. You can go around over here onto, let's say for example, different sections right here and star out the musics that you like as well, so that it is saved on the starred section and you can download it from here and have quick access to it, just like this as well. You can also view the license type right here. For some of it, you do need to add in some details on the description, but most of them are free to use without having you to do anything right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the audio library inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.